I am Danielle CENTENO, co-owner and co-founder of ESCAZU Chocolates.
My name is Justin Johnson. I own the shop here at Arrowhead.
I'm Victor LYTVINENKO. I'm the co-founder and designer at Raleigh Denim Workshop.
ESCAZU Chocolates is a bean-to-bar chocolate maker in Raleigh, North Carolina. We were one of the first in the country to start making bean-to-bar chocolate in this scale.
The Arrowhead shop is a full-service fabrication shop, which specializes mostly in furniture and cabinet making.
In the beginning, we were designing all kinds of things, and then we realized that we really had to focus, and we wanted to focus on the thing that we do best. And once we did that, we could really do anything.
My favorite part about what we do is seeing something get made from nothing. When we get our product in from our suppliers, it's very, very rough. We work super hard to produce the best product that we possibly can.
Even if, chocolate maker is using the same beans and the same percentage and maybe even the same process and machines that you're using, it's always going to taste different. Like when you eat our chocolate, you can feel the care and the love. Somehow we all manage to put ourselves in it.
We want people to feel so good about what we're doing that they're going to express, hey, I found this company, I found these jeans, let me tell you the story.
I still get super excited every single time I see something going out the door. It makes the long hours worth it. It makes the 90-degree shop worth it. That's what keeps me going.
It's a really good feeling, opening the door and walking in here every morning and knowing that you're going to make somebody happy that day. It's just a feeling of accomplishment. We've been doing this for a long time, but we can always do better. So I think that mastering the craft, it's not thinking that you already got to where you think you are, just keep trying to do better all the time.
So the idea of mastering a craft is actually the thing that still gets me up in the morning. It's a thing that I'm still in pursuit of and that I hope to achieve one day.
One advice that I could give to anybody trying to bring a product to market would be to think about your customers' needs and to remember that without a customer, there is no product.
There's a lot of people in Raleigh making things, and a lot of us have been successful because we all believe in what we're doing, and we still want to make what we're making year after year, day after day.
It's not just the fabric, it's not just the fit, it's not just the style. It's that we're considering every single stitch, every single thing all the time. And that's really what a brand is about. It's about building trust with a consumer. It's a really special thing. What we do is ours, and we make it.